I'm really sorry, but I need to change my voice like, Mom, where are you going? Mom, I'm just okay. I don't have a cat. Like, I will have a concert. She's coming. Oh, I'm just talking. I'm just talking. Like, like, no, my voice is just from a chalk, Mom. Mm, you look so beautiful today, honey. No, 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 no. No, 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 I need some pieces. Just so itchy. That's why I saw some pieces to be itchy. And no, not now. My heart will be heart of and I have got a second right. And not happening. No, Mom, I want to go. I'm just about sleeping. I'm so sorry. I'm so sleepy. I'm sorry, guys. Like, concert. Okay, guys. Okay. My mom left for no reason and okay, no. Just no. Guys, really have no reason. I don't know what's going on. I really need to do this for my research. Because she just had cut off for 1 year. 1 year. Last year. That's why they did it from last year, like December, October, November, December. And today I'm just because my mom's attack is outside. And that's why I did it. So I just like more place more. Just say my mother. Just say it. I don't have much data and I forgot. And I have a heart attack. Just say that. We swap like heart attack and cancer. Please please so guys, that's it for the day. See you for 5 days. Bye bye.